Alright, so we're out here on buckhorn again. I've got the master angler back there, Anna, with me, ready to catch another almost 7-pounder. Hopefully we'll get on a few. Right now I'm fishing with a Texas rigged with a pegged weight. It's a blue and black worm. Anna's fishing with the same thing she was fishing with the other day because, you know, no need to try to fix something that's not broken. So we're going to try to catch a few. You guys stay tuned.
Really? Yeah, we covered all that, and I think it was down closer. Oh, you got something? Oh, you do. Oh, he's trying to get off. Wow. Wow. That's a good one.
Alright, dude, hold on. Get you off.
Oh, yeah.
Not too bad. Right in the top of the mouth. He wasn't coming on. Hey, dude. Alright. Caught that one on a Texas rigged blue, black and blue worm. Woo, he smells fishy. Not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. Let's get a release. He gone. Right now we're in 10 feet of water.
Yeah. God, I caught on something?
Oh, you got a fish.
No way.
Yeah.
Are you serious? I have a...
It's swimming.
Oh, well, it can't be that big.
It's pulling drag.
It is pulling drag.
It's definitely a fish.
Okay.
Hold on, it's
What the heck is that?
It's either a bowfin or a
That is a freaking pickerel.
Don't pull too hard because I can't grab him by the
Okay,
mouth.
yeah, gotcha.
You're gonna lose that crankbait. Come on, don't pull too hard.
I'm not-
You drag if you have to.
It's in his. I didn't.
I'm saying he's gonna pop your line,
Oh, okay, gotcha.
so just chill out for a second. Loosen your drag if you have to.
I'm listening.
Try to grab him, but if you lose that crankbait, they get in closer to him. Chill out, dude. Just chill out.
There we go. Woo! Lord! Look at the size of that freaking thing.
Angry.
There he is.
Okay, hold on.
Pliers.
Yep. That's my stuff. It's huge.
Personal best pickerel.
No doubt. All right, Anna with her personal best pickerel. Don't have a weight on it, but if we do get a weight, I will put it up on the screen here. But that thing is a good size pickerel. Just a minute, I'm going to get a weight and a length on it so that she can know. But that is a personal best pickerel.
I think I got something. Oh, little bass. I think, no. A crappie? Shut up. That is a, oh my God. Really?
You put a crappie and a pickerel on the same bait.
Ooh.
All right, well,
Crappie and pickerel.
crappie and a pickerel. Good job.
Got something. Perch?
Perch.
Are you kidding
You are
me?
just multi-species woman today.
And it's got every hook in it. Not in its mouth, but
Tiny.
it is tiny. Why are you going after a wiggle wart, son.
Okay, you're gonna need to give me some slack.
Okay. Oh, it got in its fin. Oh, it's okay. That won't be hard for me. Well, are you good? Are you good?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, got something. That better not be another perch. It's a crappie.
It's a crappie.
Well, I've got it so that only it's not flinging around yet, so.
I hate you guys.
Why don't you just use your pliers?
Fins down. The mouths are so like paper thin. I'm surprised you can hold on to it.
It's hitting them right in the cartilage part of the mouth, isn't it?
Sure is. In the meaty part.
Yes.
There we go.
Crappie number 2.
Yep, crappie number 2. And kiss it.
Oh God, I actually made contact. Oh. All right. Got something? Yay! It's gotta be a bass. Okay.
Litman, but
Oh.
I'll take it. You want it.
Maybe.
Oh. Search bait pretty well.
Man.
I mean,
How'd you gonna kill yourself acting like that?
just chill out, dude. Yeah, just a little search bait. What is it?
Little bass? No, no, perch, perch.
Hold on, I'll get it. There you go. I mean, look at this.
What's going on over there?
Look at that. Let me just show you guys this. Look at this.
But I'm catching them.
What is this?
Hangriness.
Hangry. All right, well, we have some storms coming up behind us, so we're gonna call it a day and head in. This one right here caught another personal best out of the boat. She is on fire. It's gotta be the boat. It's gotta be the good look of the boat. What you think?
It's definitely the boat.
That's what I think too. But
My talent too. I mean, we can give
Whoa.
credit to my obscene talent.
yeah, that too. But we're gonna try to beat these storms out. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and stay tuned. We're gonna try to fish quite a bit out of the boat, and school is almost out for me, so it's definitely gonna be more fishing. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and make sure you grab life by the fish.